In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can claim the Robux you've earned in Please Donate in Roblox. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you the full way to do it. But before I do that, I want to say please make sure you watch this video the whole way through and pay close attention, because if you don't, you might end up losing them, and we really don't want that to happen. So let's get right into this video. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to have ensured we've gone into Roblox and we've joined Please Donate, and we've actually got some donations ourselves, because you definitely have to have donations to actually claim them. Now, if you've got some like me, I've got 15 here, then we can go ahead and we can actually claim them. So the way that we're going to do that is we need to go onto Chrome or another browser and log into the Roblox. Now, we can't do this on the app, you need to do it on the website, so I'm going to show you that now. So now that I'm here on the Roblox website, you can see that I have signed in. And now that we're signed in, we can go over here to our profile, and you can see there's this Roblox thing here. So you want to click on this, and you can see it says 0. So you want to click where it says 0 and go here. Now you'll see there's a thing here, and it will say pending Robux. So pending Robux are not included in your total until release, which could take a few days. Basically, here is the amount that you will have in your account, but they don't have it active right now because they take a few days to go into your account to ensure people don't like spam it or scam you or anything like that. So basically, after a few days, you're going to get them released into your account, and that's when you will get access to them. So you don't need to actually do anything like manually to claim them. So basically that's what you just have to do. Just wait, just go on here, check how many you've got. You will have to wait a few days. It can take up to 30 days sometimes, but just wait around and get ready to enjoy your Robux. So if you found this video useful and you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that this video did help you and that you are going to, and what you're going to do with your Robux. Now, I also have other videos on the channel about how to get more Robux in Please Donate. So check that out if you want to be able to get a ton of Robux. Now, with that being said, thank you for watching and goodbye.